Hello everybody, welcome to another video on the Scuffed Radio channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up a third-party tone encoder on a Kenwood TS-711A. There is a slight difference between the European version and the American version, but I believe this will work on both of them, and I'll go over the differences here. So, as you can see, cover's on. We have a little port coming out the back here with an audio cable, and on this regular 3.5mm audio jack, there's just a computer over here generating a PL tone, like 24/7. So you can use any tone encoder with this. Anything that can generate a PL tone will work. So when I key up here on this repeater, you can see it does that. So the way you do this, take the lid off. Inside of here, there's an expansion slot for a Kenwood branded tone encoder. And you could put one of these in here because they actually still have like remanufactured ones. But they cost about 70 bucks and it's going to take it a few days to get here. So I'm using this now for temporary solutions. So on this jumper, there are labeled pins. What we want is the pin that says E and the pin that says T1, and you can see my connectors on there. E is just earth or ground. T1 is tone 1 or tone input. So with that hooked up, whenever we have the tone option enabled, which is accessible by pushing the tone button, doesn't matter what you have it set up in here as. This can be set to anything, won't affect it. There is no tone board in this radio. Now, you do have to do the other modifications to get the tone board working, which include coming back here and cutting a jumper, but there are plenty of instructions on how to do that online. This is just how to set up a third-party tone encoder because none of the schematics or manuals actually tell you which pin on this header here is the tone input. So there you go. E for earth or ground, T, I guess that's TI, tone input, because there's a T1 over there. So yeah, TI, tone input. And there you go. We are on a 2-meter repeater that requires a PL tone to get in. Whenever I key down, it keys the repeater. And there you go.